Before we dive in, I want you to watch this final output video first. I made this entirely with AI. No editing skills, no effort. These Ghibli-style ASMR videos are blowing up on YouTube right now, and channels in this exact niche are growing incredibly fast. But after watching videos like this, a lot of people wonder, can you actually monetize a channel like this? No face cam, no voiceover, nothing traditional. The answer is yes, absolutely yes. These channels are getting monetized. The niche is still fresh, and the content connects with people on a deeply personal level. Scenes of playing with friends, spending time with family, commuting to work, all wrapped in stunning Ghibli-style visuals and soft, soothing sounds that keep viewers watching till the very end. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the entire process, step by step, how to plan your story, create the visuals with AI, and layer in the sounds and music that make people hit replay. Let's get into it. First, open ChatGPT and go to the Ask Anything section. Paste the first prompt from your prompt PDF here. This prompt will help you generate video topic ideas. Instead of X, type the number of ideas you want and replace the word theme with your chosen theme. For example, I'll use travel. Hit generate, and within a minute, you'll get a list of stunning, detailed topic ideas. Pick the one that excites you the most. Next, go back to the prompt PDF and copy the story generator prompt, the second one. Return to ChatGPT and paste it. Scroll down and you'll see a space to paste your chosen video idea from the topic list. Here, also select your preferred video duration. I'll go with 3 minutes for this example and hit enter. Within a few minutes, ChatGPT will generate a full video story for you. Now, for the characters, go back to your prompt PDF and copy the character appearance prompt, the third one. Paste it in ChatGPT and you'll get detailed prompts for all characters used in your story. Finally, to create visuals, go back to the PDF and copy the scene image prompts, the last one. Paste it in ChatGPT and instead of X, type the number of scenes you want, let's say 40. Hit generate, and within minutes, you'll have image prompts for each scene ready to use. And that's it. With all your scripts, characters, and image prompts ready, you're now set to move to the visual generation step. Before we continue, if you are a small creator like me, you probably know how difficult it is to find the right people to collaborate with. Not random creators, but people in your niche who are actually growing and making similar content. I used to spend hours searching on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Google trying to find AI creators and tech founders that match my content, and honestly, it takes way too much time. So I decided to test a tool called Lessie AI to see if it could actually make this process easier. First, when you click the link in my description, you'll land on the main page of Lessie AI. Just tap on Start for Free, and your dashboard will open. Now, inside the dashboard, you can find everything, whether it's clients, customers, creators, or entrepreneurs. For example, let's say I type AI YouTube creators in the US in the AI tools niche under 100K subscribers, and then hit find. Within a minute, I get a full list of AI-related creators, including their YouTube channels, TikTok and Instagram profiles, and even personal emails. Basically, everything I need to connect with them. Normally, finding this kind of information would take hours for just one creator, but this tool does it in under a minute and for hundreds of creators at once. Now, if you click on any profile, you can view their email and contact them directly. But opening each email one by one can take time. So instead, just go to the top and click on Export, then hit Download. This will save all the data in an Excel file. Now open Excel, go to File, then Import, and upload the downloaded file. You'll see all the information neatly organized and ready to use anytime. But here's where it gets even better. Lessie AI also lets you email all these creators at once. Just click on Compose Email, connect your email account, add your subject line, write your email, and if you're not sure how to write a good one, no problem. Just click on AI Compose below, describe what you want, and hit Generate. The AI will create a perfect email for you. Finally, click Send, and your email will be delivered to every selected creator or client. So instead of spending hours researching, you can do it in just a few minutes. You can try Lessie AI using the link in the description. Now let's get back to the video. Now, open your browser and search for Whisk AI, then click the official website. Once the dashboard loads, click on Enter Tool. When the interface opens, tap the arrow in the top left corner, scroll down, and under Style, click Enter Text. Here, type Ghibli Style Images and hit Generate. Now your image style will be set to Ghibli Style Visuals. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first character prompt. Return to Whisk AI, paste it under Describe, and click Generate. Then go back to ChatGPT again, copy the second character prompt. Come back to Whisk AI, paste it in Describe, and hit Generate. Once the character images appear, download the ones that fit your story best. Now, on the left side, under Subject, click Upload Image and upload your first character image. After that, press the plus icon to add another subject and upload your second character image. Once both characters are uploaded as subjects, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first scene prompt. Then return to Whisk AI, paste it under Describe, and click Generate. Within seconds, your first scene image will be ready. But here's an important tip. Always check which character is mentioned in the scene prompt. Keep that character on as the subject and turn the other one off. Now repeat the same process. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the second scene prompt, paste it into Whisk AI, and hit Generate. Continue doing this until all your scene images are created. For example, in the 11th scene prompt, the cafe owner is mentioned. So I'll copy that prompt, return to Whisk AI, turn on the cafe owner as the subject, turn the other character off, paste the prompt, and generate the image. So always pay attention to the prompt and activate only the characters mentioned in that scene. Once you've generated all the scene images, it's time to turn those Ghibli-style static images into videos. First, open your browser and search for Flow, then click the official website. When the page loads, click Create with Flow. After that, tap New Project. A new interface will open. Now click on Nano Banana and make sure you select Video instead of Image because we want to convert our images into animated video scenes. Next, go back to Whisk AI and find the first scene image you generated. Download it. Then return to Flow and click Start Frame and upload that first scene image there. After uploading the image, go back to Whisk AI again, open that same scene image, and copy the full prompt used to generate it. Come back to Flow and paste that prompt. At the end of the prompt, add this instruction. Don't include background music, only ASMR sound effects. Now select Video, set the orientation to Landscape, and keep the generation setting at X1. For the model, choose Veo 3.1 Fast. Now simply click Generate. Within about a minute, Flow will create beautiful, moving Ghibli-style visuals with natural ASMR sound effects. Once you're satisfied with the result, repeat the same process for the next scene. Go back to Whisk AI, download the second scene image, return to Flow, upload it in Start Frame, then copy the second scene prompt from Whisk AI and paste it into Flow. Again, don't forget to add Exclude background music, only ASMR sounds. Then click Generate. Continue repeating this process for every scene image until all your images are converted into videos. Once everything is finished, go to the Video section on the left side in Flow. There you'll see all the generated video clips. Click on the first video, then tap Download and choose 1080p upscaled. This will automatically enhance the video quality and download it. Now repeat the same process and download all the videos in 1080p upscaled quality.
Now, before we move to the editing part, if you don't have access to Flow or you're running low on credits, you can use Grok as an alternative. Simply open Grok AI, and in the top right corner, you'll see the Imagine icon. Click on it. Once the tool opens, look at the bottom section where you'll see two options, Image and Video. Select Video since we want to animate our scene image. Next, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 so it matches the standard YouTube video format. Now click Add, then choose Animate Image and upload your scene image. After uploading the image, paste your scene prompt in the prompt box. At the end of the prompt, make sure to add this instruction. Do not include background music, only sound effects. Now click Generate. Within about a minute, Grok will create a beautiful Ghibli-style animated ASMR clip based on your image. Once it's ready, simply click Download to save the video to your device. Repeat this process for all your scene images. And once you've generated all your clips, we're ready for the final step.
For editing, I'll be using CapCut. First, import all the video clips you generated into CapCut. Once everything is imported, drag the clips onto the timeline and arrange them in the correct order so the story flows smoothly. You might notice a VO watermark on some of the clips. To remove it, simply scale up the video slightly and the watermark will move out of the frame. Next, add a few simple effects to make the scenes more engaging. After that, go to the music section and choose a track that fits the mood of your video. Lower the music volume so it doesn't overpower the visuals, and trim any unnecessary parts of each clip to keep the pacing smooth. Once everything looks perfect, click Export. Enter your preferred file name, adjust the quality and export settings, and then click Export again to save the final video to your device. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you need any help, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you want the prompts used in this video, simply comment prompt or join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.